Now, the first one that honestly I had never tried before, and that is of course the Adidas Ultra 4D. Now, I think as sneakerheads or just sneaker enthusiasts, we are probably very familiar with Boost. Most likely you've had an Adidas sneaker that does come equipped with Boost. Now, this one is a bit different. Now, the thing that makes the Adidas 4D so different is this is actually a 3D printed midsole. And on this Adidas 4D, we do get the, of course, famous Adidas Prime Knit upper. If you love the Ultra Boost 1.0 uppers, then you're gonna love these. And the 4D midsole, which is of course 3D printed, is gonna give a bit different feel from Boost, which we will talk about that at the end of the video.